Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 1996 Harley-Davidson DYNA Wide Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 1996 Harley-Davidson DYNA Wide Glide with 46,648 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with axle caps, a brake pedal, shifter pegs, foot pegs, a tank pouch, an intake cover, a timing cover, shift linkage, a luggage rack, saddlebag mounting racks, and Harley-Davidson mufflers. Powered by an 81 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Wide Glide puts 48 horsepower and 63 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 4.7-gallon fuel capacity, the Wide Glide has a 190 to 215 mile range. It has a 29.7-inch seat height and a 604-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Wide Glide will need steering issues addressed. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds and the rear at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs and shifts well, but the steering is notched. Additionally, there's a primary gasket, shift shaft seal, and base gasket seep. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.